This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Batocera versus Windows for gaming. Batocera is a free, open-source operating system specifically crafted for retro gaming, often running on lightweight hardware. Windows, on the other hand, is a widely adopted general-purpose operating system. We will explore their differences in performance, ease of use, and overall features to help you decide which platform best suits your gaming needs. This comparison will focus on their strengths and weaknesses in a gaming context. When it comes to performance, Batocera typically requires significantly less powerful hardware, making it ideal for devices like a Raspberry Pi. It boots directly into a gaming interface, dedicating nearly 100% of system resources to emulation. Windows, however, demands more robust hardware for optimal performance, especially with modern titles. Its operating system runs numerous background processes, which can consume valuable resources and potentially impact your gaming experience, requiring more powerful components. For ease of use, Batocera shines with its streamlined, dedicated gaming interface, offering pre-configured emulators and straightforward ROM management right out of the box. Windows provides a versatile desktop environment, allowing for both gaming and general computing tasks. However, setting up emulators and games on Windows often requires more manual configuration and technical know-how. Batocera supports a vast library of retro systems, from the earliest consoles to the PlayStation 2, offering a comprehensive retro experience. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your specific needs. Choose Batocera if you desire a dedicated, easy-to-set-up retro gaming machine with minimal hardware requirements and a focus solely on emulation. Opt for Windows if you need a versatile system capable of modern gaming, productivity, and a wider range of applications, and you have more powerful hardware. Consider your primary use case and technical comfort level when making your decision between these two distinct operating systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.